Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Genie garage door opener. First, let's clear all remotes from the opener's memory. This is useful if you lost a remote, moved into a new home, or want to erase all existing remote connections. Locate the program or set button on the garage door opener motor, mounted on the garage ceiling. Press and hold the program or set button until the blue or purple indicator light turns on. Release the button, and the light should begin flashing. Next, press and hold the up and down arrow buttons at the same time. Continue holding them until the lights turn completely off. Once the lights go out, all previously programmed remotes have been removed from the opener's memory. Any remote you still want to use will need to be programmed again. Now let's reset a wireless keypad. If your keypad has both a program button and an up and down button, press and hold those two buttons together for about 5 seconds. The light below the program button will turn solid, flash twice, and then turn off. The keypad has now been reset to the default pin, which is 357. If these steps do not reset the opener, unplug the garage door opener from power for 60 seconds. After 1 minute, plug it back in and test it again. Thanks for watching.